So on the Apple website, it says that the iPhone 11 Pro called and it wants its chip back. I thought that was dope. Hey guys, it's Fisayo here, and this week Apple silently announced the iPhone SE 2020. This one particularly piqued my interest because A, it's very affordable, quote unquote. It's a very affordable iPhone, $399 or 167,000 naira, which it might be more eventually when it comes to Nigeria. And B, I've reviewed the iPhone 11, which is a very dope smartphone. A lot of people were shocked that it was cheap. It could be that low for a price of $699 or 290k for an iPhone. So this video is me going off of my knowledge of that and seeing what Apple is really doing here. Also guys, shout out to Western Digital again. I'll be giving one more storage device to you guys when you guys give this video a thumbs up and comment below which of them you want. And of course, watch till the end of this video. I already announced the winner of the first one in the first video, so this winner will be announced a week from now. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you have notifications turned on so you'll be the first to know when we drop a new video. Without further ado, let's get to it. If you remember correctly, the original iPhone SE, the OG iPhone SE, was announced 3 years after the iPhone 5s. The iPhone 5s was announced in September of 2013, while the SE was announced in March of 2016, 3 years. And they both look exactly the same, like the same build quality, the same display, all of that. Plus, it had the same processor as the flagship of the time, which was the iPhone 6s and the A9 chip. This time around, the iPhone 8 was announced in September of 2017, right? And now, 3 years later, in 2020, we have the iPhone SE 2020. Same exact build as the iPhone 8, same display as the iPhone 8. It's only got the processor of the iPhone 11 Pro, which is, of course, you guessed it, the most recent processor that iPhone makes, the A13 Bionic chip. So on the Apple website, it says that the iPhone 11 Pro called and it wants its chip back. I thought that was dope. So why is the iPhone SE even necessary, and should anyone even buy this? Like, what's the catch? First of all, it's not all of a sudden. Speculation has been since, like practically for the longest time now, that there will be an iPhone 9 or a budget iPhone. Second of all, it's in line with what has worked for Apple, and it's Apple. People are going to buy new iPhones, and this is a very affordable way of entering into the Apple ecosystem. This is the first time you can buy an iPhone brand, the SE 2020, which is $399 at the AirPods 2, with wireless charging case at the Apple Watch Series 3, all for $757 or 314,000 naira. And you have a better set for the Apple ecosystem for $757 instead of using just that money to buy an iPhone 11, which is almost the same quality internally with this new phone, but with better cameras, and you don't have any of the accessories. So do you see what I mean? Plus, if you get the new iPhone now, you get free Apple TV Plus for a year and access to some great shows that aren't on Netflix. I think it sounds reasonable. Also totally random, but not really. The iPhone SE 2020 is priced at £419. 419. Okay. So that's all and good, but it's not the most innovative smartphone right now. I mean, as we've established, it's pretty much the iPhone 11 in the body of an iPhone 8. So what about the technicalities and the specs on this guy? What's inside? Firstly, in the box of the new iPhone SE, it's the very regular things. You get the normal iPhone, the AirPods, Lightning to USB cable, and the old 5-watt power adapter. Nothing else. No fast charger, nothing of the sort in the box. So the display quality on the the iPhone SE is the very same as the iPhone 8. Retina IPS LCD 4.7 inches, 750p, 625 nits of brightness, same as the iPhone 8. Same goes for the body of the device, the same weight, same size, same dimensions. However, the colors on the new iPhone SE is black, white, and red. There's no rose gold like the iPhone 8, but the front is black, unlike the iPhone 8. The front of the iPhone 8 was white, and this one is black. I prefer the black because when you're watching movies or something, say at night, the black sort of fades while the white is all up in your face, and it doesn't really hide that it's a huge bezel. This is a huge bezel, and the black hides it. And speaking of bezel, we are now back in 2017 with Touch ID. Yes, we have a fingerprint reader in front, and I somehow feel like the iPhone SE 2020 is the phone many people may want to upgrade to if they had like an iPhone 7 or 8. And trust me, there are people that are fans of Touch ID. If or when I get this phone, I will have deja vu moments, because I know I'm saying it too much, but it's just an iPhone 11 or 11 Pro inside the iPhone 8's body. The good thing, or the thing I commend Apple about, is, this device is adding the A13 Bionic chip, the 7nm plus chipset that came with the iPhone 11 Pro on here, with AR capabilities, their newest GPU capabilities, basically. So yes, that's something worthy of note. This phone will be fast. I just wish it was an OLED display, but But $399, that's a bit of a stretch, especially for Apple. Because of the A13 Bionic chip, you get portrait mode, which has adjustable blur. This came with the iPhone XS, if I remember correctly, and is a nifty feature. It's called depth control, plus it has portrait lighting with the modes which we didn't see on the iPhone 8. And the camera shoots 4K, but I'm not sure if the optical image stabilization feature works in 4K, but it has optical image stabilization. There's also a quick take feature which lets you record a video when you press and hold on the camera button. Right now, pressing and holding on the camera button takes multiple shots. I think this feature will come with an update in iOS, but you can't be too sure. The iPhone SE 2020 is 1821 milliamp hours. Just like the iPhone 8, is exactly like the iPhone 8, but it's capable of 18-watt fast charging, which the iPhone 8 isn't. The milliamp hours are so small, but it's optimized for the iPhone. This phone is also rated for video viewing up to 13 hours, and that's advertised. It can charge from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. The 18-watt fast charger is not included in the box, which is a classic Apple move. But you do have the benefit of Apple's wireless charging. It's water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, IP67 water resistant, just like the iPhone 8. And the expected release date for this iPhone SE 2020 is the 24th of April. And we're expecting to see how this goes down. But what are your thoughts about this iPhone? Is this something you see people buying, or will you buy it? Do drop a comment below and let's chat about it. If you saw my workspace store video, link below, you know we use Western digital storage devices, and in that video we gave away one of them. Well, you get a chance to win any one of them again, and in this video, the Western Digital My Passport is what I use to back up my files. That's 4 terabytes, and they even gave us an additional 1 terabyte, my passport drive. There are 2 SanDisk mobile storage devices as well, and you have one for Android and another for iOS. Both of them work seamlessly when connected to your smartphone. It's an easy solution to back up your files on your smartphone too, either iPhone or Android. We've got the WD Green and WD Black for PC builders. The WD Black is huge and it's also large in storage size, while the WD Green is their SSD variant. It's small, and I even have an SSD from SanDisk themselves. All of their products have local warranty on them, and I'll have links below to how you can get them. And if you want to know more about them and how I use them in my space, simply check my workspace store video. I'll link that video below. Also guys, as many of you may know, I'm honored to be Musicbed's first African ambassador, and all the songs I use in my video are of course by Musicbed. If you're a creator and you want to use music for your videos, for your creative projects, your videos or your short films, and upload them to YouTube, it's a great service for you. You can use it for your videos as well. You can try it for free for 30 days with my link below. Use amazing songs like the one I use in my videos, and depending on your channel size, you'll pay a subscription fee starting as low as $9.99 or 3,600 naira. That's all. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do leave a like if you found this video useful. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Share this video if you feel like there's somebody that you want to share information with about the iPhone SE 2020. I almost said iPhone 8 again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.